Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Before we get started, just a quick reminder to please like, subscribe, and share this channel with someone you think might enjoy our content. All of that really helps the channel out. Looks like today we're doing number 194. Let's just start with this box. It looks like we're missing 2, 4, and 6. We've got 4 and 6 here, so this is our 2. 4 here, so 6, 4. For this row, we're missing a 1. For this box, we're missing 3, 5, and 7. Oh, we've got a 3 here and a 5 here, so this is our 7. That 5 makes this our 3 and our 5. For this row, we're missing a 3 and an 8. We've got a 3 here, so 8, 3. For this box, looks like we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got 2 and 9 here, so this is our 6. No other help. So 2, 9, 2, 9. For this column, we're missing a 4 and a 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 7. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 4. For this box, we're missing 1, 7, and 8. We've got the 1 covering these two boxes, so our 1 has to be here, but I don't see any other help. So 7, 8, 7, 8. For this column, we're missing 4, 5, and 8. We've got a 5 and an 8 here, so this is our 4. No other help. So 5, 8, 5, 8. We look at this row, we're missing 3, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 9. No help here, 3, 8, 9. Got the 3 here, but I don't see any other help, so 8, 9. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 2, 6, and 7. We've got the 1 and 2 here, or sorry, 1 and 6, so 2, 7. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 2, 7. A 1 and 7 here, so 2, 6. And a 7 here, so 1, 2, 6. For this column, looks like we're missing 3, 4, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 covering these 3 slots, so our 8 has to be here. We've got a 3 and 9 here, so this is our 4. And 9 here, so this is our 3, 9. This 8 makes this our 9 and 3. This 9 makes this our 2, 9. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 6, and 8. Got a 1 here. So 6, 8, a 6 here. So 1, 8, a 1 here. So that makes this 6, 8. That means that our 1 has to be here. For this box, we're missing 5, 6, and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 5, 8. 5 here, so 6, 8. That means our 5 has to be here. For this box, we're missing 2, 6, and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 8, and an 8 here, so 2, 6. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 6. We've got a 1 and 6 here, so this is our 2, 6, 1. That 6 makes this our 8, 6. That 8 makes this our 2. That 6 makes this our 8. That 8 makes this our 7, 8. And these 1 and 2 makes this our 7, 2, 6. For this box now, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 9. For this box, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 2. That 5 makes this our 8, 5. And to finish this box out, we're missing a 3. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope that you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.